have one monster truck. Grave digger. He made it. Ah. Good luck. And the next we have Bigfoot. He saved it. Oh, he saved it again. Oh, he landed. And there, what are you gonna do now? Oh, a special donut. He's doing that, and now it's release. Oh no. Bigfoot just got down. Better luck next time. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know why I was on my crashing, but this time we got fire truck, I guess. Yeah, fire truck. Fire truck, golden. Let's see if he does the goodest.
Okay. I gotta go.
Okay.
Wrap it up.
And that's the final, but we will be back tomorrow and probably next time.